So hi friends, welcome to the Lazy Busy Coder. In this video, we are gonna start with our Python tutorials, the Python playlist in which I would be teaching you all how to code in Python and etc. stuff. In this video, the topics we are gonna cover is why to learn coding, how to install Python, and your first Python Hello World program. So who I am? I am Leo, the Lazy Busy Gamer, a person who loves coding, as you all know, and knows a lot of things like JavaScript, Java, Python, Dart, PHP. The list is very long. So this is me, also your friend. Cool. Now, why to learn coding? To create computer programs, communicate with your computer. Like you are there as a human and you have your computer in front of you with a processor, RAM. So you want to communicate with your laptop to create programs to make your stuff a little easier. To create your own application, your own website so that others can view it, see it, or you can use it, making your life easier. That's why we code. And requirement for coding is just your brain and a little focus. So I'll just repeat it. I'm sorry. Okay. Coding gives you superpower. Yes, it's right. Because while coding, you can create a lot of things, okay? From controlling your computer with your hands, you can do a lot of things. And who's gonna help you in all of this is Python. Let's go and start with the installation of Python. So what you need to do is open up your browser, search for pyth1 Python, and then go to this website. Then just click on this download. Um, then we'll get an exe like this. Just click on it. You'll see this thing. Okay. So what you need to do? Add python.exe to path and install. So the Python has been installed in our system. Just close it. Now what you need to do next is click on this Windows and type cmd. Open it. Okay, and just type Python. If you get something like this, it means Python is successfully installed. So for now, just do this and also run this command. Cool. So if you can run these two commands, that means Python is successfully installed in your system. And if you face any problem related to this, just comment it. And we'll start with our first program in Python. So it's Hello World, okay? Printing Hello World in Python. So what you need to do is open your desktop, okay? Create a new file, right click on it, create a new file, text document, and then new, not new, Python 1. Name it whatever you want to name it. Just go in the ending and remove this txt and type py. Okay, so you'll get this file. Now, if you're not able to view the .py, it means you have not enabled something. Just go click on this view, show, and then file name extension. Just enable it. Okay. Now, right click on your Python file and just edit it with Notepad. You can type print. Okay. Just save it, close it, and what you need to do next is click on this bar, type cmd, and then type Python and the name of the file, which was python1.py. And yeah, you have your own Python program, which says hello world. Cool, isn't it? So this is one way of running Python. But what's the best way? To run Python in a better way, as per this tutorial, we'll go and install VS Code, etc. things in future videos for you. I have it installed. So what you need to do is search IDLE. You need to type this and you'll get something like this. Just open it. Okay, cool. And then file and the new file. Now what you need to do is just save this file first of all. Press Ctrl S and just click on desktop and name your file whatever you want to name it. I'll name it Leo. Now save. Now you can write your Python codes in here. Print. Okay. Now save it and to run it just click it. I can run it. Okay, cool. So in this way, you can also write Python codes and to run this file. So what you need to do if you want to edit this file again and again, just search for IDLE and just file and then open and then desktop and search for that file. You will get this file. You'll see open. So now you can edit here and write your code here. Cool. To run it, just run module and your output will show it. So this is the way to run Python and your first Python code, hello world. Now further on we will learn a lot of things related to Python. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment it. And thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.